you don't talk like that to the customer at all in any circumstances. इस तरह से बात नहीं करते यार. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and I hope you're all doing good. Today's video is going to be for the airline candidates, the one who are aspiring to get into international airlines. I have been discussing various topics of the qualities that are required to get through the airline interview. Today I was thinking of doing a kind of a role, kind of a case study, and observing a video and analyzing a customer service situation where things went out of hand and it was a strange situation. What I see from the video is that the situation could have been handled in a better way. So let's see and let's observe what things went wrong. Wow. Okay, first of all, I see there's a group of, I think, customers who are complaining, of course. You see, the agent, she's a ground staff, it's not a cabin crew situation, but she's been surrounded by them. And look at the way people have surrounded her. I think they're complaining. One guy's almost gonna put his finger in her eye. The other lady, she's almost tapping her. And now what's happening is that this lady, the agent, she has folded her hands and closed her eyes. She's almost rolling her eyes. Now, first of all, guys, that is not a position that you take when you're dealing with customers in any situation whatsoever. If you stand like that with folded hands, that shows that you're defensive. You're not open to conversation at all, right? So this is something, that you should be taking note of. Never stand like that in front of customers. When you stand like that, it will irritate the customers even more. तो भैया जैसे ये खड़ी है मैडम जी, इस तरह से खड़े कभी भी नहीं होते, हाथ फोल्ड करके बहुत बुरा लगता है. ऐसे अगर आप करेंगे तो जो कस्टमर्स होते हैं उनको और ज़्यादा गुस्सा आएगा, और आंखें ऐसे चढ़ा के किसी को भी गुस्सा आएगा इस चीज़ से. तो ये चीज़ अवॉइड करी जा सकती है. The thing is, everyone is talking at the same time. सबके सब एक साथ बात कर रहे हैं. कैसे उस बंदी को समझ में आएगी भाई चीज़ क्या बोल रहे हो आप एक एक करके तो आप बात करो. सबके सब ने वीडियो कैमरा ऑन करे हुए हैं. आई डोंट नो क्यों, क्या फिल्म करना चाह रहे हैं, बट हाँ, एक तरीका है इसको डील करने का. देखिए, सबके सब जब उस लड़की को घेर लिया है, उसको बिल्कुल, एजेंट को बिल्कुल घेर लिया है. ऑफ कोर्स उसका भी एक्शन रिएक्शन हो रहा है वहाँ पे, बट एक्चुअली वो होना नहीं चाहिए था. This guy is telling me कि मैं टचिंग मैं रोमांस कर रहा हूँ क्या. लोग एक से बढ़ के कलाकार बैठे हैं अपने इंडिया में, पता ही होगा आपको. बट so she was saying that you are touching me. I don't think so. They did touch her, but then they were almost quite getting closer to her. So she felt intimidated, but then you see the body language is it's very negative. She has completely taken a stand off it. She just went away. She's standing in the corner, right? And of course she's completely lost, because what's happening is that यहाँ पे जो डायलॉग चल रहा था वो ब्रेक हो चुका है. इस टाइम पे ट्रस्ट ब्रेक हो चुका है. हो सकता है कुछ इश्यू हुआ हो उनका. दे माइट बी फेसिंग डिलेज इन द फ्लाइट और समथिंग एल्स. I really don't know what the situation is. However, what I see that the body language is going to make the passengers more negative, because in a way she is just, she just cut herself off from the situation. This really makes the people even more agitated. We cannot do this behavior on any international airlines at all. These are very serious issues which are taken in a very serious, with a very serious consideration. So ये अपने इंडिया में हो रहा है, बाहर कंट्रीज में ऐसा नहीं होता है. यही एक और रीज़न होता है जिसमें लोग सोचते हैं कि जो लोग पहले क्रू हैं उनका आराम से सिलेक्शन हो जाएगा. ऐसा नहीं. So this body language is not appropriate at all. The way she has been folding the hands and the passengers. I know they're agitated. I agree that it's quite a crowd which is very loud, and that happens in India. People are like that in the sense that in India the customers, they at times cross the line. We know about it. हम सब जानते हैं कि इंडिया में होता क्या है कि एक फ़्लाइट टिकट ले लो, आपको लगता है कि आप पूरे मालिक हो आप जहाज़ के. ऐसा नहीं होता. एक ये भी बिहेवियर इंडिया में हम लोगों को चेंज करना चाहिए. ये जो एक तरीका होता है कि आपने एक जहाज़ की टिकट ले लिया, आप मालिक हो गए. मैं जानता हूँ कि कंप्लेंट्स हैं, आई एग्री ऑन दैट कम्प्लीटली, बट देन स्टाफ को प्रॉपर ट्रेनिंग दी जाती है इस बारे में. द स्टाफ आर वेल ट्रेन्ड टू हैंडल सच सिचुएशंस, राइट? So this is the thing. Let's see forward. They're saying is that the least that we expect from you is to handle us properly, right? That's what they were saying. Again, I'll tell you, the thing is that both sides it is a problem, right? Not just one side, not only the staff. The way people are behaving, and you see the security guard, he's least bothered. Being a guy, he should at least try to handle the situation. I know he's not from customer service at all, but still being there, being present in the situation. So now let's see what's going to happen. The manager, I think. This customer, she's the only person right over here. Right. I have my right to ask something. Like if you want, then you cancel your flight and go back. I was asking that. So there the manager comes. See now how people are using their hands to call them. हाथ ऐसे करके ए यू करके बुला रहे हैं. इस तरह से बिहेवियर बहुत गलत होता है. इसीलिए जो है स्टाफ का भी जो है बैलेंस बिगड़ जाता है. Now this guy is saying that we are standing 3 feet away and she's saying that you're touching me. Dude, you're not 3 feet away. 3 फीट दूर नहीं हो आप, बहुत पास में हो उनके. आपको भी दूर से बात करनी चाहिए. इतनी पास आके बात नहीं करते. कुछ भी सिचुएशन हो जाए इस तरह से बात नहीं करी जाती है. ठीक है, ब्लेम पे आप लोग भी हो. यू आर ऑल्सो रिस्पॉन्सिबल. यू शुड ऑल्सो मेंटेन अ डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द स्टाफ. She tells me I'm deafened up. I'm not sure if she said that, but if she said that, it's a major blunder. Completely not done at all. To me, she said you can do anything, you can write a mail anywhere. Very wrong. You don't say that at all. To him, she said that this guy is touching me. So you see the manager, he's very calm. So that's what I like about him. He's very calm. He's listening to everyone. He's not reacting at all. So that, of course, that's why he's the manager. This gentleman is saying that she cannot tell the customer to shut up, which is, of course, he's right. That is not done at all. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna just wrap it up. What the learning from this video is that our body language is very important, right? If there is a customer who has an issue, and I know a lot of airlines in India, they don't handle situations properly because of course, you know, sometimes it's the passengers who are behaving in a way that makes them agitated, and which is completely uncivilized. You can see it's uncivilized completely. Secondly, it is also a mistake on the behalf of the customer service staff, how they could have dealt with the situation in a more calm way. They could have used a better body language. You see the body language of the manager, whoever came to deal with the situation later on, is much better. He's very positive, and he's calm. He's listening to them. No matter how the situation is, like, hats off to this guy, and that's how a true customer service individual should be. So the body language is important, how you're listening to them, the way you're nodding, and the way you're processing the information, how you're giving whatever the solution is, you know, just tell them in a nice way. But you cannot back off from the situation. If you just go away from the situation, it means you're running away from the situation, which goes in a very negative way of the image of the company. So guys, my point here was that for international airlines, this body language does not work at all, right? These things are considered in a very serious manner. It might not be that much in India. इंडिया में हो सकता है ऐसा ना होता हो इतना ज़्यादा, लेकिन बाहर बहुत ज़्यादा सीरियस लेते हैं इन इश्यूज़ को. और यही रीज़न होता है कि ये ज़रूरी नहीं होता कि जो इंडिया में क्रू है उनका सिलेक्शन बाहर इंटरनेशनल एयरलाइन में हो ही जाए. काफ़ी सारे फ्रेशर्स हैं जिनको कोई एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है, लेकिन उनका सिलेक्शन हुआ है क्योंकि वो एक सर्टन क्वालिटी ढूंढ रहे हैं. ठीक है, दैट सर्टन क्वालिटी दैट दे आर लुकिंग फॉर इज हाउ यू हैंडल, यू नो, अगेन हियर what was required. You have to be a good listener, as I told you in the previous videos, and you have to be, what do you have to do? You have to be patient enough to listen, to not react to if the person is already agitated, right? Listen to them calmly and respond accordingly, right? So I hope this video is helpful for you. Guys, what do you think you should have been done in this situation? Leave in the comments and tell me what do you guys think about it. Because yeah, let's do a discussion about it and make me understand what is your point of view. Do you agree that only the staff was responsible, or do you agree that the crowd could have also been, you know, handled in a better way? Do you think the crowd should have behaved in a better manner? What is it? So let's discuss about it. And if you have any questions, do leave in the comments, right? My idea is to help you get trained for international airlines, right? And rest of you, the OET candidates, the OET students, I'm going to make a video soon, and for entertainment as well very soon. Take care of yourself, share the channel, hit like, subscribe and share. Take care. Cheers. Bye.